was about lowering the guard. It was as if you took Alice down the rabbit hole into the wonderland. It was a new world for me that I had never explored.
For me, it was a monsoon retreat, just run away from Mumbai and come to chill here, plus art. So I never thought art will be this art that I did.
You know, Z, yesterday when you were saying that we have to unlearn a lot of things, I was slightly skeptical about what are we really talking about because I had gone to the art school and all of that.
I really like how we started off with deconstructing the conventional approach we take to art. As everyone said, it's always about perfection, it's always about showing off.
For me, I think I look at art from a different perspective now. क्योंकि conditioning ऐसा था कि art has to look perfect for it to look beautiful. But beautiful क्या है ये हमारी आँखें decide करती हैं.
Your son has made the most imperfect paintings into the most beautiful paintings.
The number one thing that I knew but never realized was about the disruption of art. I always thought it has to be perfect, the way it looks like.
We've always been told sketch. But no one told us to observe.
When we look at all the canvases and we look at the canvases that the kids have done, they are far more colorful, far more interesting than what we really need to.
I've actually learned a lot from all these tiny kids over here. They just do whatever they want. And they do it with so much of fun.
And that's what I really learned from all the kids around, and they taught me more than you.
Oh yeah, they had so many creative ideas just falling out. And I was like, yeah, let's do it.
Can we do this? Can we do that?
Yeah.
Picasso said that it took me 4 years to paint like Raphael, and he said it took me 70 years to paint like a child. That is why we have to unlearn, because the raw, beautiful aesthetics we have, which all these children have, will just vanish like this.
I was actually really intimidated at first because with work and everything is so digital these days, and I actually haven't picked up a pen and pencil in a really long time and sketched.
As you said, they are interacting with a device, working on a glass surface and not working with earth. Digital, as we are going more into digital age, the thing that will save you and will make you a superpower is the work you do with your hand, which you can apply on digital.
Till date, art has always been like perfecting it or impressing others with what you're making. Here, it was more of an expression that you can do and look at things differently, but still create something out of it.
We started with charcoal, and I think that was a very interesting medium for me because I did not go the traditional way in which we usually start with art. It allowed me to explore more than the way I usually do.
I still take a lot of time. I still have to be more courageous. So that is one thing that I found about myself.
For me, it was really a different kind of experience. I have been to lots of retreat, but this one was a really different.
I think I learned to look at things in a very different perspective through all their eyes.
But more than everything together, I think just helped me to connect with the part of me which I am not connected with me, I feel anymore. So I think that was a very important thing for me.
I'm just happy that I did not ask any of my friends or my husband to tag along because I couldn't have connected or interacted with all of you in the way that I did. I'm going to miss myself that I was here.
And the whole collective energy of the group, like one organism functioning together, it was almost like that.
I came here after having like a really stressful time, and I just thought it'd be like something really casual. But I learned way more than I thought I would, and I'm eternally grateful for that. And thanks to the team for making me feel like this is home.
The very first art retreat for me in all these years, and definitely not the last.
They all feel so connected. It was so connecting that I'm feeling overwhelmed,
We have been doing kids camp for 28 years. So many kids have grown. When Zahir came in also, we thought the work he's doing is so deep and so meaningful,
What you put on the paper can also be a reflection of what you're thinking.
Sometimes I feel the basics of it, you somewhere miss out on it or you forget it. You don't think about it so much because you are too much into the work and everything. I think the retreat has got me back to the basics, I would say.
It was a wonderful experience. I'll thank you, Z, for your guidance, your presence, and your jokes.
Installation, yeah.
Wow, what did you learn from that?
I don't know, but I really liked it.
Ah, that's the best answer.
This retreat was a confirmation of what I always suspected. I knew there is somewhere a little art which is existing, and I must say that you and your team, they have really, scrounged whatever. They brought it up, and I'm very pleased. It has given me a sense of purpose now that yes, there is painting and there is a life with paints ahead.
And I really loved your team.
The team, na?
Yeah, they were my friends.
They are your friends.
The team, thank you for being so accommodating in everything and providing everything that you did. Deep, Tanvi and Riddhi.
I want to specially thank Riddhi, Tanvi and Deep for putting up this show. This is 80% them, 20% me.
I wanted to give all of them the best experience because this is monsoon and again hideout is special for me also. They were not guests. They were a part of this. They were the catalyst.
So since we do at different places with so many people, like thousands of people, but with them the interaction is for a minute and still we get to learn a lot about them as a person, what color they pick, where do they draw on the canvas, what do they draw. All those things tell us about that person, that city, which colors which city picks. But when we stayed here together for 2 days, it felt like a week first of all, almost, and it was much deeper than the open easel that we do. I also got to learn a lot from the kids, the way they freely express themselves and the colors they pick, like they're very bold in that choice.
I want to make sure that everyone feels like home. They're not missing any part of it.
Seriously, I'm just coming in doing the sessions, but putting it all together, without whom I couldn't have moved a single leaf. For us, Open Easel, art intelligence is a movement and the need for every human in today's world, which is super connected with on a device but disconnected with human beings. Through art we learn life,